Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming account access and opening the 2 Quizlet sets you want to merge. Once done, choose whether you'll create a new combined set or add cards into an existing one. This affects later steps. Make sure to scan for obvious duplicates and tag each source set so you can track provenance. If you plan to export, prepare to download as CSV. Otherwise, stay in the web app. These actions reduce errors and save time when you start copying or importing content. You now execute the actual merge. If you have many cards, export each set as CSV and open them in a spreadsheet. Otherwise, copy and paste directly into Quizlet's editor. Use built-in functions to remove duplicates, trim whitespace, and normalize capitalization so terms match. Map columns precisely, term to term, definition to definition, and preserve image URLs if present. Once the sheet is clean, import the combined CSV into Quizlet or paste the blocks into the target. You finish by importing the clean CSV or saving the pasted cards into your chosen target set. Then verify formatting and that image is loaded correctly. Once saved, run a short study session to confirm order, check for remaining duplicates, and ensure definitions display properly. If anything goes wrong, missing cards, broken images, or import errors, export the set, inspect the CSV for hidden characters or malformed rows, fix the issue, and retry the import. This final check prevents surprises during studying.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.